What if I told you that the reason your videos are not getting views has nothing to do with your editing, your script, or even your content? The real problem might be your thumbnail. Think about it. You spend hours writing scripts, recording videos, editing everything perfectly, and then your video gets 50 views. Meanwhile, another creator uploads a similar video and gets thousands of views. Why? Because people never clicked on yours. And that's exactly where most creators fail. Today, I'm going to show you an AI tool that can create professional YouTube thumbnails in less than 5 minutes. Not only that, it can help you recreate the style of top YouTubers like Mr. Beast, Ali Abdaal, Iman Gadhi, Alex Hormozi, and many others without needing Photoshop, Canva skills, or hiring a designer. And the craziest part? These thumbnails were generated with just a few clicks. Let's get into it. So, when you visit Thumbs.ai, this page will appear. Here, you can see that you can generate a thumbnail just by uploading a thumbnail and make changes to it. Or, you can just upload any YouTube video's link you want a similar thumbnail. First use case. Use existing thumbnails and customize. Second use case. Clone top creator's thumbnail. Third use case is text to thumbnail or image to thumbnail. Fourth use case, clone style using YouTube video link. And the most amazing use case, which is the fifth, add emotions and face expressions to the characters. And give professional touch by applying popular effects such as glow halo, 3D pop-out, and neon glitches. And this is the sixth use case. You can scale and optimize easily by face swapping, A, B tests, CTR rater, expressions lab, and template library. Now let us study the pricing. There are 4 pricing structures. First is the free. When you first sign up, you get 20 free credits that are enough to generate 10 thumbnail. 10 credits instantly and 10 credits after your first thumbnail generation. You can create thumbnails using text to thumbnail, image to thumbnail, but with watermark, with no face generation, and video thumbnail downloader. Then comes premium plan, which is $11 per month, gives you 160 credits, making you able to make 80 thumbnails along with face generation and video thumbnail downloader, high quality and clone style. And there is this ultimate plan, which is of $29 per month, with 800 monthly credits and 400 thumbnail generations, with priority queue and high quality results. This master plan is for companies and businesses who make content for others. Here you get 2000 monthly credits, which make you able to make 1000 thumbnails, which are a lot. Features you receive are everything in Ultimate Plan and priority access to new features. That is all about pricing. Now this is the dashboard after you log in. In the Explore tab, you can see all the options: text to thumbnail, image to thumbnail, and YouTube video thumbnail downloader. When you scroll down, you can see popular 3D effects such as 3D pop, magic arrow, studio lighting, and many more. Now let us go to Create Thumbs tab. Here you can choose from text to thumbnail or image to thumbnail. Next is Downloader tab. Here just paste any video link and its thumbnail will be downloaded. It takes 1 credit to extract 1 thumbnail. Let me download Mr. Beast's thumbnail here. I will just go to his channel, click videos, and let me just choose this video and copy it video link. Now paste it in Thumbs.ai and click extract. And in a few seconds, the thumbnail is downloaded. Amazing! Now let us create thumbnail using image to thumbnail. You can either upload or paste YouTube video link. I am using the same video URL and make changes to it. Now I am describing changes. Change the man to a Chinese man. And change woman face also to a Chinese woman face. Replace the fish with a shark, and then click on Generate Thumbnail. Thumbnail starts generating and uses 2 credits. You see the generated thumbnails followed the prompts and generated a different version of same thumbnail with amazing quality. I will just download it from here and upload on my own channel. Isn't it amazing? Now I will generate another thumbnail with my own face. Choose Image to Video. Upload your photo. You can choose expression from emotions or generate with prompt. I am recreating Iman Gadhi thumbnail. His expressions are neutral. I could not find this emotion, so I am just selecting smile emotion and click on generate. Now, I will recreate this Iman Gadhi thumbnail with my own self. I am asking it to replace the main character with the reference person and change the text colors and keep everything else same. I am not applying any effect because I am recreating exact same thumbnail. I will choose the ratio of 16:9 and 2 variations of thumbnail. Let us wait until it is generating. So, our 2 results are ready. I like the first one because in second thumbnail it has changed the background characters' faces as well. So I will download the first thumbnail. And you see the score here. It is telling about the click-through rate, whether people will click on it or not. If it is red, it means you need to improve the thumbnail, and if it is green, it means thumbnail is good enough to use. Now, I will create thumbnail using text. I am asking ChatGPT to write a prompt for me where I am teaching about creation of 3D cartoons using Kling AI. ChatGPT has written a detailed prompt for it. You can anyway customize and make changes to it according to your own brand details. I will just copy and paste this prompt in Thumbs.ai and choose my face. Aspect ratio 16:9 and 2 variations. You see, both the generated thumbnails are amazing and with high CTR score. I am choosing this one because cartoons are more prominent here and download it. Now let us generate a thumbnail using effects. I am choosing glow halo, 3D pop out, and dollar reward. And writing my prompt, create a thumbnail for me, and write text, create and edit video with Google Omni. I will choose my face, 16:9 and 3 variations. Hence, these are the thumbnails generated by Thumbs.ai. I like this one the most and downloading it. This is all about Thumbs.ai. Go now, check link in the description and enjoy free credits. What I like most about Thumbs.ai is the speed. You don't need design skills. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need years of experience. You simply take inspiration from what's already working, generate ideas quickly, and create thumbnails that actually attract attention. For creators trying to grow on YouTube, that's a huge advantage because every extra click matters. And every click starts with the thumbnail. CTA. If you want to try Thumbs.ai for yourself, check the link in the description below. Generate a few thumbnails for your next video and compare them with your current designs. You might be surprised by the difference. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I share AI tools, content creation, strategies every week. Also, comment below. What's your current average CTR? I'd love to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.